Hey guys, it's me Habiba and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be DIYing a denim jacket. Basically, this is my inspiration. I saw this on Fatma Hassan's Instagram profile and I was like, I need this. She got it from like some boutique in New York. So, I couldn't get it. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make it myself. I didn't have a denim jacket of my own which I could like upcycle. So I just ordered one online. This website called Export Leftovers. They basically have export leftovers which they sell for like cheap prices. So I thought that would be a good idea just in case I like ruin it or something. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more super fun sewing, crochet and DIY content. Here is the parcel with the jacket in it. So I got a size medium. It said on the website that it's unisex. It looks really big, but I guess it'll be fine because I'm gonna crop it and stuff. So this is what the jacket looks like when I tried it, and I'm actually not that happy with it. The sleeves are like absolutely huge. But let's see. For now, I'm just gonna start with the main jacket. So I've literally just been sitting and looking at this picture to see how I'm gonna do this. The jacket is like cropped down to like 3 buttons. So I think I'm gonna cut it there. So this is what it looks like once it's cropped. I think it looks a lot better actually, except for the sleeves. But besides that, it already looks a lot nicer. It isn't ironed, so it isn't sitting properly, but this is like low-key what it looks like. So right now the raw edge is not looking very raw. So I think I'm gonna work on this now. I was thinking I could just like take out some of the strings like this. Another thing that I saw online, which I'm gonna try now, is using a nail file to make it more distressed. Here is my nail file. It's very cute and purple. Now let's try and get this like a little more distressed. This actually works kind of well. Like I did it on this part and I think it looks a lot more distressed than the rest of it. Hey guys, so I am back. I actually haven't filmed for like 5 days. I literally was so lazy, and today it got kind of chilly in Lahore, like it's 18 degrees, and I was like, I still haven't started working on the denim jacket, and denim jacket season is gonna go and it's gonna be super cold and I won't be able to wear it. So today I have decided I'm gonna complete the jacket. It's not a very long project, so it should be done. And basically I'm going to show you guys what I actually ended up getting from the gem shop the other day. So for the edging of the heart, the larger like pieces, I got these, and they're basically sew on diamantes. They're gem. I don't know how to explain it. I got 2 sizes and this is what it looks like. But now basically what is left to do is actually cutting out the hearts, and we have the jacket here. I basically am gonna cut out hearts at the front where the pockets are, and then 2 hearts on the, like 1 heart each on the sleeve. First I'm gonna make a template. So I've got this white paper and I'm gonna fold it in half. You can call this a pattern, a template, whatever you want. So now it's folded in half, and I'm just gonna draw half a heart over here and show you guys what the template looks like once it's done. Okay, so here we have our heart template. It's so cute. I'm really excited now. I actually think the heart turned out really good. I was not expecting this. Now I'm basically going to pin the heart onto the front of the jacket and cut that out. So I'll show you guys. I need to check where the heart is actually placed in the photo. So basically what I've done here is I've taken a similar fabric, which is going to be our backing, and it's basically going to come here. And then what I've done is I just put the heart on top of this and traced it. And then I've made a smaller heart, which I'm going to sew on. And this is because we're going to have a seam allowance. I'm basically going to turn this inside out. You guys will understand once I'm done with this. Right now, what I'm going to do next is basically sew on to this heart. Okay, so this is what we have now. It's totally sewed on, and what I'm gonna do is cut out this middle part, which includes this fabric and this fabric. Okay guys, so I have cut it out and this is what it looks like. I've also added little notches where the thing is curved so that when I turn it inside out, it's gonna be a lot easier. So let's just do that now. So here is what the heart cut out looks like. Just gonna straighten it out a bit, and basically now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stitch around this edging just so that it stays in place, and then we just have to add on the diamantes. So here is the finished heart cut out. I think it's quite neat actually, and now I'm basically gonna do this on this side and on the sleeve as well. So we are 2 hearts down. This is what the hearts look like, and they look super cute. Now I have to do the hearts on the sleeve, and then I basically just have to bejewel them. I think I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks. But so far it's turning out the way I wanted. So now I just have the sleeves left. Okay guys, so I just did a heart on the sleeve, and I'm like kind of thinking I might not do it on the other sleeve because it looks kind of lame. Like you can't even tell it's a heart.
जहाँ है समंदर